In a small village nestled between misty hills lived a boy named Aryan. He was different from others, not in appearance but in thought. While the villagers found joy in everyday life, Aryan constantly searched for something deeper, something beyond the ordinary. One evening, an old traveler arrived in the village. His eyes held a mysterious glow and his voice carried wisdom. Seeing Aryan's curiosity, the traveler said, "Come with me, and I will show you the light that exists beyond what your eyes can see." Without hesitation, Aryan followed him. They traveled through dense forests, climbed steep mountains, and crossed wild rivers. Each challenge tested Aryan's patience, strength, and faith. At times he wanted to turn back, but the traveler always reassured him, "Trust the journey." Finally, they reached a serene valley where a grand temple stood. Inside, thousands of lamps burned brightly, but there was one in the center that shone with an otherworldly glow. "This," said the traveler, "is the light you seek, but it does not belong to the temple, it belongs within you." Confused, Aryan asked, "Within me?" The traveler smiled. "The greatest light is not in the grandest places. It is inside your heart, in your faith, in your kindness, and in your courage. You traveled far, but what you sought was with you all along." As the traveler disappeared, Aryan felt a warmth inside him, a newfound wisdom. He returned to his village, but he was no longer just Aryan. He was a bearer of light, ready to guide others toward their own journey of self-discovery. And so the small village became a place of wisdom, where everyone learned that the true light is not something we find outside. It is something we ignite within.